More. Where's more?
Number one. Give me the chili and a root beer. Ándale, ándale. Order up. I'll have burger and fries. Hey, get that out.
Oh, I finally found out what that ticking noise is after all this time. Oh,
Would you please give to me a hot dog and a...
after all this time, I found out what that ticking noise is, because I remember hearing a ticking noise on this game. And it's a relay inside of this backblast here that makes a clicking sound whenever it turns on and off. So now I know where that sound is coming from, and now I know why it's doing it. That is so cool. Finally! I never mentioned that to you guys in the past because I didn't think you guys could hear it. But now that it's quieter, I figured I'd go ahead and mention it because you guys hear anything and wonder what that noise is. Okay. Skill shot looked a little funny to me. Maybe it's just me, but it looked a little weird to me.
Would you please...
Blip. 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 Blip.